Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make One Piece ZORO in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is we're going to go for earth plus water and then add water into it to create swamp. Once you have swamp, the next thing is you're going to go fire and then add a wind into it to create smoke. Once you have smoke, the next thing is you're going to add water into it right here so that you'd have fog, and then add it to swamp to create ghost, and then add earth to create zombie, and then add another zombie to create zombie king. Once you have zombie king, then you want to go for fire and fire to create volcano, and then water and water to create lake, and then combine it with the volcano, and then you'd have island, and then add water into it to create smoke. Once you have ship, once you have ship, you want to add a lake into it so that you'd have pirate, and then add it to zombie king so that you'd have pirate king. Once you have pirate king, you want to go for earth and fire, and then you'd have lava, and then add water into it so that you'd have stone, and then add lava into stone to create obsidian, and then add another stone into it to create a blade. And then once you have the blade, you need to add another blade to create sword, and then add another sword to create long sword, and then combine it with pirate king, and now you'll have Roro ZORO. So yeah, that is basically how you can make Roro ZORO in Infinite Craft. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.